this little capacitor was loose and it came straight out. We'll solder it back in. This one here.
That one and that one.
More flux the better. Man, I really hope this is it, eh? What do the other joints look like?
Yeah, they look alright. Actually, they look really good.
How thick's that solder that you've repaired it with? Do you need to add more, or is that just what was already on it? That looks good, that looks good.
There we go. Oh, blinded me.
Alright. There's a little rotor. Hopefully that spins. We've done it. We've fixed the stuck vibrating motor. Legend. Let's put it back together now. See what happens. This ball bearing dropped out. Must go in here. It's the only really place it would go. The fuck? Fucking spring on that.
Okay. Just around this?
Yep. You'll have to turn it on. Like chain if you've ever done that.
Yeah.
Is it still a bit high?
A little bit.
Let's have another shot at turning it on. Oh, that's much better. Oh, I know why, because of the weight.
Yeah.
Weight of this thing. Let's have a listen. Jesus. Looks like it took a bit of effort.